Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video, we're gonna to learn how to use the multiply formula in Microsoft Excel program. Here is some basic data for using the formula multiply. Here employee name, here is the time of their work weeks and hours per week. Now we will get the total hours. So we will use multiply formula. Click here, enter equal sign. Now enter B2 multiply sign and C2. Now make enter anyway. So you will get a result. Now select all the column and press Ctrl D on keyboard. Another way to use the multiply formula in Excel, firstly select the cell where you want to multiply result and enter equal sign. Now type product multiplies all the numbers given as arguments. Double click. This command indicates that you want to multiply items together. Now give the cell name, in this case B2. Now enter colon and select now C2. Now enter brackets. Now make enter. So you will get the result for this cell. Now select all the column and press enter D. So you will get the result for all columns. Thanks for watching this video.